What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for yet another Icebreaker roller coaster construction update. I know, Lauren was just here last night at closing, checking out vertical construction, but we're back again today. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go. No wait really to get through security or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. Alright, real quick, let's recap some of the events. So we've seen all the ones up to Entryway, which is beginning November 2nd, going through November 16th. And then we have SeaWorld Christmas Celebration November 23rd through December 31st. SeaWorld's Halloween Spooktacular just ended, same with the Craft Beer Festival. Speaking of Halloween Spooktacular, the event just ended yesterday, and we had a decoration right here with a pumpkin fish. It's already gone. I'm expecting a lot of the Halloween stuff is already gone as well. And now we're getting close to Icebreaker, and we can see a very large crane in the air. So that is a good sign, and I can already see a support right there as well. So it appears the piece being lowered down into place right now is the sliding mechanism for the launch track from the station, where the train will physically pull out, slide over, and then go onto the launch track. Alright, so the piece is in place and the crane is going back up in the air for more.
Our legacy is tied to its future. In our hands we cherish it. We are one.
Another piece flying in.
We'll see you at SeaWorld Orlando on Facebook and Instagram.
Here we can see a bunch of supports on the construction site, and we're expecting more to go up today. That one that is vertical is a special one because we had a chance to sign it. Man, it is good to finally see a crane in the air on the construction site with the work walls right here, again showing off Icebreaker, coming for 2020. Oh, hi there, crane. You're pretty much almost right overhead. Looks like we're lifting another piece up right now. Here we can see a very muddy midway as trucks, parts, and more are coming in through this gate. We can see the crane right there. But I'm expecting that's all being done when the park's closed. Sky Tower, and it's currently at the top, so indeed it is in operation, and the sign also over here says that it's open. So let's go catch a ride and get an aerial view of Icebreaker.
Thank you. Series Sea Rescue. Be inspired by the exciting real-life animal rescue stories and gain a better understanding of the rich array of sea life. That's Discovery Cove, where you can snorkel with rays and exotic fish, relax on a beautiful beach, and even swim alongside dolphins. Which transports you into the icy world of the penguin like never before. Experience the mysterious land through the penguin's eyes on a first-of-its-kind family ride. Connect with the colony above and below the water and be inspired to make a difference. Sky Tower. Be sure to check your seats for any belongings and watch your step as you exit the cabin. To the east, mysterious land through the penguin's eyes on a first-of-its-kind family ride. Connect with the colony above and below the water and be inspired to make a difference. We're on a mission, and it's big but not impossible. Together, we are going to protect marine life and the oceans they call home.
And now we're over by the exit for Wild Arctic again. Wide open spaces where there used to be trees and more. A lot of work going on in this area this week. Literally less than 12 hours have gone by and all of the Halloween decorations, at least out over here by Wild Arctic, are gone. And we can now see a Christmas tree with presents up. Here we can see Shamu Stadium with that brand new screen in operation. In fact, they're testing again, Christmas music in October, and it's 95 degrees.
5 reindeer, Santa Claus, tiny elves making toys in a fairyland village, a single star in the night sky that would guide 3 kings, a journey of hope, a dream of peace.
And we can see the same video as always is playing.
If I can fly. I don't know. Is it magic? When Pete does.
Despite the Craft Brew Festival being over, we can still see the booth right here and here next to Mako. It's going to be repurposed, of course, during Christmas celebration.
Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and on behalf of all of us here at SeaWorld, I'd like to take this. My name is Amy, and you know, SeaWorld's killer whales have inspired generations of our guests. We're so excited to share with you the relationships that we've built with our killer whales and offer you a look.
Hot set. Hot set. Apparently filming is going on today. Not sure exactly for what, but it's happening. Well, this is new. Right here in the front entry area, we can see a height check showing off the different attractions. And check it out. Icebreaker right there. Lots of progress on the main construction site, but I do want to go over to the stores lot to see if there are any new track and support pieces. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for yet another icebreaker roller coaster construction update, and I am very happy to say that vertical construction finally happened over the weekend and a bunch of parts are on site, track, supports, and more. Lots of electrical work, more foundation work, and everything is wrapping up, at least on the foundation, so more vertical construction should be happening very, very soon. Of course, we have 2 cranes on site, which is good news, as they're going to need them to get all those parts into the air. And we have Manta doing his flyby like normal. We're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, of course, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.